Here at Innsbruck Airport in Europe, a Chinese large aircraft has traveled thousands of kilometers to arrive. It landed smoothly and steadily. A photographer captured a video of the Y-20 aircraft. Through this video, we can clearly see how the Chinese large aircraft performs its transport tasks. After taxiing and parking at the designated spot, the aircraft's cargo door slowly opened, followed by the engines shutting down. Then, more than a dozen Special Forces soldiers disembarked one by one. They were invited to participate in the 2023 Edelweiss Assault Mountain Infantry competition held in the Austrian Alps. After gathering, the Special Forces soldiers left the airport in specialized vehicles. Subsequently, the Y-20 prepared to take off and depart. With the push of a ground tow vehicle, it slowly turned onto the runway. At this moment, the four huge engines were facing the screen. The close-up, high-definition footage of such an angle is indeed rare, and the aircraft's frontal appearance is truly impressive. After completing the turn, the pilot in the cockpit pressed the one-key start button, and the four engines under the wings emitted hot air, producing a buzzing sound as they powered up. The Y-20 is a large transport aircraft designed and manufactured by Xi'an Aircraft Industrial Corporation. Its maiden flight took place in 2013, making it China's first domestically produced large transport aircraft, earning it the nickname National Treasure Large Aircraft among many netizens. The pilot then issued commands to the aircraft for the final pre-takeoff tests. The wings flexed and moved as instructed, and everything was normal. Following the lead of the guidance vehicle, the pilot taxied the Y-20 towards the runway. Soon the aircraft reached the end of the runway and turned around. At this point, it was evident that the Y-20's fuselage is enormous, with a length of 47 meters, a wingspan of 45 meters, and a height of 15 meters. It is equipped with four D-30 KP2 engines under the wings, capable of generating a thrust of 51 tons, allowing for a maximum takeoff weight of 220 tons and a flight speed of 0.75 Mach. Then the pilot pushed the throttle to full power, and the four engines began to output their thrust, with the hot air distorting the surrounding air as the aircraft started to accelerate to its limit. As there were no spoken words, viewers are invited to follow the camera and quietly observe this rare takeoff scene. After taxiing for 600 meters, the front wheels lifted off the ground, the fuselage tilted upwards, and the aircraft began to ascend into the sky.